Hi everyone, we've had some questions about how to do a Flipgrid. First of all, Flipgrid is a requirement for your project. It's really easy. Don't stress out. I'm going to do an example here. This is from one of the old Flipgrids we did, one of the opportunities you had to submit your nervous system notes. And what you're going to do is click on the link. I'll provide you a link tomorrow. And it will take you to the Flipgrid website. And you're going to log in with Google. You should be logged into your TCA docs when you do this. And I'm going to use my daughter's account so that it looks like a student account instead of like what I see. So in this case, it takes us to our nervous system notes, but you'll see a different one tomorrow for your project. So what you're going to do is scroll down, and here's some instructions on what you're going to do. You'll see a different set of instructions for the project. You're going to look for this big green button, and you click on this button, and you're going to get this screen here, and then you can just make your video. Let me move this a little bit so you can see the whole process there. So you'll click on this to start to make your video, and that's all there is to it. So we'll click, and we'll say, "My mean teacher, Mr. Giesing, is making me make a Flipgrid video. I wish I didn't have to do it." And there's your video. And you click next. "My mean teacher, Mr. Giesing, is making me make a Flipgrid video. I wish I didn't have to do it." "My mean teacher, Mr. Giesing." And then we're not going to watch that over and over. And then I think you can take a selfie. And then next. Are we all done? I think it's finishing it up right now. Don't close the window. It's preparing the video. And display name, we won't make it be Madeline with that goofy face. So we'll call it Mr. Giesing and submit. And we're all done. Click complete and you're done. And then you can see, well, I guess you can't see it yet, but if you check that out later, you can follow that link yourself, and you'll see my video there. So that's all there is to it. It's not hard. Don't stress out. Just make yourself a quick little video. Follow the instructions that are in your project instructions. Just talk about what's listed there, what's required in your Flipgrid video. It won't take long. Good luck, everyone.